Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today, we're diving into a topic that every real estate investor needs to master: how to deal with tenants. Yep, those people who live in your rental properties. Done right, this can make your business smooth and successful. Okay, picture this: you're the captain of a big, shiny ship, and your tenants are your crew. If everyone works together, your ship sails smoothly. But if things go wrong, you might hit a storm. That's why it's super important to know how to work with your tenants in a way that keeps everyone happy and your business running like a dream. First impressions matter. When you meet your tenants, be friendly, polite, and approachable. Imagine meeting a new friend at school. Your smile says, "Hey, I care about you, and I'm here to help." Rules are like the instructions for a game. You need them to play fair. That's why you should always have a lease agreement. It's a piece of paper that says what you and your tenant agree to, like when rent is due or who takes care of repairs. If everyone knows the rules, there are no surprises. And surprises are only fun when they're birthday parties, right? Imagine your tenant calls you because their sink is leaking. Would you ignore them? No way. Listen carefully to what they're saying. Listening shows you care, and when people feel cared for, they respect you more. Here's a biggie. If something breaks in your property, fix it as soon as you can. If your bike chain falls off, you'd want someone to help you fix it right away, wouldn't you? If you show you're quick to solve problems, they'll think, "Wow, my landlord is awesome." Let's talk money. Rent is like the ticket to ride on your ship. Your tenants need to pay it on time so everything keeps moving forward. Make sure they know when it's due and how to pay it. If they forget, remind them nicely. A simple, "Hey, just a heads up, rent is due tomorrow," can go a long way. Fairness is key. Treat all your tenants the same, whether they're super quiet or throw the best barbecues on the block. If they know you're fair, they'll trust you more. And trust? That's like gold in the tenant-landlord relationship. Sometimes, things can go wrong. Maybe a tenant is late on rent, or they complain about something that's not really your fault. Take a deep breath and stay calm. Getting angry won't solve anything. Instead, talk it out like you're solving a puzzle together. Don't be a stranger. Drop by, with their permission, to see how things are going or send a friendly message now and then. When tenants feel you care, they're more likely to take good care of your property. Being nice doesn't mean being a pushover. If a tenant is breaking the rules, like not paying rent or causing damage, you need to step in. Stay polite but be firm. Here's a fun tip: when tenants are awesome, like always paying rent on time or keeping the property super tidy, Let them know you appreciate it. Maybe send them a thank you note or a small gift. Being a landlord is like playing a game where the rules can change. Stay updated on laws and best practices. The more you learn, the better you'll be at dealing with tenants and running your business. If you ever feel overwhelmed, don't be afraid to get help. Maybe you hire a property manager or talk to someone who's been in the game longer. It's like asking your coach for tips to improve your skills. At the end of the day, your tenants aren't just paying rent, they're people. If you treat them with kindness and respect, they'll do the same for you. A good relationship makes everything easier, from solving problems to getting rent on time. And there you have it. Dealing with tenants doesn't have to be hard or scary. It's all about communication, fairness, and showing you care. When you do it right, your tenants will love renting from you, and your real estate business will skyrocket. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you learned something new, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on reaching financial freedom. Remember, you've got this.